My collection of canine service dogs. But before we get into it, don't forget to click that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out. I've been collecting these canine service dogs for a while now. These are all German Shepherds. This one came with the G.I. Joe canine police. I like that his jaw is articulated. That's the only part of him that's articulated. This one is a solid plastic. I'm not sure what side it came from or where it came from. I got it in a trade. And this one was ultra core. It actually was part of another canine policeman thing. I like the harness that came with it. It's really cool. It has a little button on the side here that you could push, and it made several different sounds. There was a battery compartment and the speaker there. I think the batteries are dead because it doesn't work very well anymore. And you can see the harness velcros on the bottom of the dog. I really wish I knew where this one came from. I'm not sure. Anybody knows, drop a comment in the comment section. This one, probably my favorite because of his articulated jaw. The leash on it is really nice too. I probably should start making things for canines. I think that'd be cool. I'm always on the lookout for dogs to add to my collection. 1/6 scale dogs. I think when I ever get a 3D printer, I'm going to see if I could print a articulated dog. I think that's what our hobby really needs. Thanks for watching, and if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.